Alright, we're back. Fred's taking his time. I only took about 20 minutes at least. So I found out some nice little button head Allens to use, but they're fine thread. I don't have any fine thread nuts, so I had to convert the coarse thread to fine thread.
Really?
Yeah.
You went through all that trouble?
Yep. So we got nuts and washers.
You have the wrench to
Nope. It's your job.
hold the inside. Hey, I got it. Okay. On the little wrench.
You hold that up for me.
Hold that.
Oh, no, it's not in. I got it in until you moved it.
I can't see it from here.
You want the fairing on the bike square? Is the fairing on the bike square?
Where it is now.
Remember I told you got to get the headlight on here first, second.
I'll take it off if you want to take a second.
I'm going to have to get no access to the headlight bracket.
Just take that out, right? Leave it in here. 2 seconds. You're pretty good at this.
So you make a universal thread, you take a coarse thread, a nut, or a fine nut, drop on the floor. Then you jam a tab through the hole, and now it becomes a universal that fits on fine or coarse. Now you don't have quite the holding power of either one, but it'll get you halfway there.
Not holding anything really important.
Yeah, we're only holding a fairing on, so it doesn't matter. You have half the torque, but half the torque's good. Alright, so I got 2 holes.
And washers.
You need your 2 holes.
Hmm? 1 or 2.
2.
Okay.
Goes in the hole thread. Yep, like that. Okay. Mine are sort of lining up. How about yours? Come in.
Yep, we're in. Okay, I can see mine easier than yours, so.
I'm holding it, so put it together.
Washer,
Let me wash it.
washer, washer. Nut. Nylock nut.
I mean, nut.
Nut.
Is that the right one?
I don't know. Picked it up off the table.
Universal nut?
Universal. Assuming it is. That's the only size. Oh, that might not be it. Huh? Well, they screw on pretty good.
You just have to find the correct thread for it to go in. It's a universal application.
Did you bring the proper Alone?
I didn't do anything. How come my wrist doesn't bend backwards
If you
itself like
turn
that?
around this way, if I turn this way,
Oh, shoot.
I turn it that way.
It'll go the other way?
No,
With your Allens? With my Allens.
your Allen's. I don't have any
Did
Allen.
you put my Allens back after you used it last?
This one you mean?
Yeah, that one. What's that one laying right there? That's like the right size.
No, it's too small. I figured that out.
Where'd it come from? Was that metric?
It's whatever was freaking laying here the last time we.
That was not it, Fred.
Did you buy a metric? You get a metric. Are those metric? The Allens you did are metric? Now we need metric screw threads too?
You just have to get the right Allen. You in that bolt?
Yep, of course.
Tighten up, we good?
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll do this next one then.
We can get the wrench before, but I'm going to be able to adjust the fairing. Okay, let's get the fairing on there. Or the light, and we'll do our final adjustment. Universal nuts over there, look at that.
Universal.
Universal? How come the camera doesn't focus on anything?
Did you have it on?
Yeah, right there. Fred went and changed it on me. Yeah, I got a universal threaded nut on there. What are you doing over here? You got a headlight blocking my vision.
I think there's something going on here.
Yeah, it might not be 100% perfect.
I think it's something to do with wrecking it. In the course of just trying to put this thing on, the damn Well, this other one broke, so I'm just gonna get 4 new ones.
You broke my light?
Well,
Jeez.
I get that lined up better.
Let me push on the harder, Fred.
Did the old grunt. I got it now.
So now you got 3 broken lights out of 4.
Yep.
Is the headlight adjusted vertically where you want it to be?
I suspect. Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
It's a perfect job.
Dialed in exactly where seeing down the road. Looks like I might be looking at blinding the.
Okay. Where's your
wrench?
where's your wrench?
My wrench.
Go down here. Tighten these up. No, they're not tight.
Now I'm the one with the. Go ahead. You're gonna Tatro tighten?
I don't know.
Dude, you're gonna break the plastic.
That is genuine buell plastic. You can't just break that by tightening up a screw against it.
All right, you must be right, and I might be wrong.
That's
never happened before.
That's genuine, good quality stuff.
Yeah, you can't get to that from the bottom.
Why not?
They just don't happen. All right. Another broken light. Look over here. I barely touched this thing and it broke.
Fred, it's loose.
No, it's buell. Besides that, I haven't tightened these down all the way. Look.
These flexible brackets are pretty flexible. So I can really tighten these down.
Because I didn't know where it was going to sit.
Where do you want it to sit? You want the fairing up or down? It's adjustable vertically.
I'm going to push it all the way up. I don't want it to hit here.
Make it tall, huh? Might have to loosen it up a little bit.
Alrighty then.
You got 2 inches adjustment vertically. Probably 3 inches of vertical adjustment on your headlight. You can have one of the low rider snort looking ones. You can have a real high mounted Springer looking one. Think of the aerodynamic
You
drag.
see a quarter drive somewhere?
Quarter drive what?
Quarter drive.
Quarter drive Allen? The quarter drive Allen's right here.
Yeah, quarter drives. There.
You mean my tools that are on the floor right now? They're right there on the floor, Fred.
Right next to that brake pin because I can't figure out how to put the brake pin together.
Yeah, there's that brake bolt pin down there. Look at that. He's gonna want me to put together now because I haven't done. I didn't even take it off. Is that gonna fit like that? Where's your end wrench? It'd be easier to get in there with an end wrench.
This will work.
You sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Look at that. It's high up.
What's it hitting?
Wiring. You want it all the way up where you want it?
Yep.
Okay. It's held. Get more light when it's held all the way up. Over there, I can't see. See the headlight.
Okay, maybe that wrench won't go on there.
Yes, I told you to get an end wrench. See, we have vertical travel adjustment, 3 inches.
That's not it.
What are you looking for? What size is the socket?
7/16.
Well, why don't you grab a 7/16 inch wrench, Fred? There's one.
Technically, I don't think it's 7/16. I think it's metric, but it'll work.
Oh, look at that. It must be plastic.
Tight.
I already had metric on this bike. I thought it was a Harley. Ooh, that signal looks broken, Fred.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid.
Communist.
Communist vehicle. Yeah, it looks like a communist vehicle with that. Is there a Ural? Is this a Ural?
Ural. Ural?
Is this a 2-wheel Ural?
What's a Ural?
It's a 3-wheel Russian vehicle.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a Beamer. Except somebody stole it. World War II sacrificial. Stole it from the Germans. Legally. Is that light on? Yep, light's on.
You dropped something.
Fred's throwing stuff at me. There it is over there. Look at that.
Oh.
He's just trying to show off his feet again.
No, I'm not.
It's a good thing you had your safety shoes on. Yeah, that's starting to look like a real vehicle again.
Worked on my truck like this too. Okay, we'll finish the rest.
Are they all tight? What? You don't me. Don't mix up my tool with your crap. That's my tool. My tool goes in my bucket.
What about this red?
My tool goes in the
Okay.
bucket right there, right in the back of that fork
This
I'm
goes,
left. Whose is that?
that's metric.
It's metric, it ain't mine, that
That's yours.
metric crap.